Hey, discover the top 5 places to experience snow in Victoria. Number 1. Mount Buller, Victoria's favorite alpine playground, just 3 hours from Melbourne. Number 2. Falls Creek, a stunning ski-in, ski-out village with endless snowy charm. Number 3. Mount Hotham, the powder capital with slopes that thrill every skier. Number 4. Lake Mountain, the perfect spot for family snowplay and day trips. Number 5. Mount Baw, a cozy, budget-friendly snow escape near Melbourne. Which snow spot is your favorite? Comment below and don't forget to